Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing this Living Spaces Stark sofa with reversible chaise. So, need a new sofa. Just got delivered by Living Spaces. And let's do this. It's gonna be kind of hard. But my last Living Spaces sofa broke. So, here's the new one. Oh, might need. I don't think I cut in enough holes to get this open. Cool. All right, hold on, let me get a cut in a few more holes. 1 second. All right, I'm back. Had to get scissors to cut a little more to get this open for you guys. Show you what it's like to unbox this. All right, so it comes pretty well packaged. As you can see, here we go. Boom. Oh, shit. Not easy making an unboxing video with a sofa for you guys. Ooh, looking nice and fluffy. So, bam. All right, pretty much got the box open. Just want to show you all what it looks like, and I will finish setting this up. So thanks everyone, hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Don't think I could record while setting this up, so hope you're doing well. Yeah, it came packaged well and excited for this new sofa. Hope you're all doing well. Talk to you later. Bye.